Me again, and I am from 4A's Club. Take a look outside, it's very rain out here in Kyoto, and I am here today to show it to you our new arrival here. We have a Skyline and Pomo Friendly, and my focus today is a 2003 Nissan Skyline. Take a look at the outside in exterior, very clean, doesn't have scratch, no dents. The interior very clean. This vehicle is one of the very high quality vehicle here in our new arrival. Let's say about the price. A company says 7,000 FOP. B company says 6,000 FOP. No. What do you think about the price of this beautiful vehicle? 5,000 FOP? No. The 4,000 FOP? No. 4A's Club will give it to you at a reasonable price, and the price is 3,200 FOP. Make yourself a good looking guy and give us a call. We'll give it to you. Waiting for you. Bye bye.